It's official. After the CDC loosened some coronavirus guidelines last week, New Jersey has ended some COVID-19 mandates in schools. I'm Jason Martinez here at 5 o'clock. Routine COVID testing has been lifted for New Jersey school districts and child care settings. And some parents are not happy with the potential changes coming to New Jersey schools. Our Jeff Cole live in the Garden State for us tonight. Jeff?
Yeah, Jason, they're certainly not happy. Look, it is certainly not without risk, but many see this here in New Jersey as good news as mandatory COVID testing drops in schools on September 1.
The Lopez sisters of Blackwood, New Jersey will return to school in a few weeks. Layla in the first grade, Ara Lynn in fourth. Their mom wants all school staff tested for COVID.
I would suggest that they test. If you have any symptoms, they should test to make sure that they're not sick. You know, sometimes, we think that it's just a cold, but most likely it's not, and you could be, giving that to your students.
But if the girls' school district decides to drop mandatory testing for unvaccinated staff, it can, under an executive order signed by Governor Phil Murphy Monday. The order points out that the CDC is no longer recommending routine screening testing in school districts and child care settings. So Murphy is following suit. Dr. Pascal Noarco is Camden County's top health official.
Does that mean there's no COVID risk in schools anymore?
No, there is actually COVID risk in schools because both teachers and students and school staff members have been testing positive.
But with vaccine available to kids as young as 6 months, boosters and antiviral medications, schools and daycares in New Jersey are free to drop testing.
People are not dying from COVID that they used to before, and there are things in place for them to get well if they have COVID.
New Jersey schools may continue to test if they want, and leaders of Camden County's 60 public and private schools are expected to meet with Dr. Noarco soon to get his take. The head of New Jersey's largest teachers union is pleased.
Because of following those rules, because of people getting vaccinated, tools becoming available now, the youngest of us being able to be vaccinated as well. We're at a place where you see that the governor is lifting this executive order, and that's great news.
As for Layla and Ara Lynn, they'll go to school with faces covered.
You'd at least wear masks.
They would definitely wear a mask, definitely be going to school with masks.
They're going to wear masks, those two girls. Interesting, today Murphy signed this executive order away from cameras, not like him. He's normally in front of a camera somewhere. Camden City and Cherry Hill Public Schools say they are looking at this order and will be in touch with their constituencies. Live in Gloucester Township, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News. Jason.
Thank you, Jeff.